Today we are learning sound of E. H E he means वह. W E we means हम. N E T net means जाल. P E N pen means कलम. B E double L bell means घंटी. S H E C means वह स्त्री. L E T let means आओ. M E N man means आदमी. E double G egg means अंडा. R E D red means लाल. T E double L tell means कहो. B E D bed means बिस्तर. K E Y key means चाबी. B E N C H bench means bench. H E N hen means मुर्गी. S E T set means दल. W E D wed means शादी. T E N ten means 10. L E G leg means टांग.